स्वागत है दोस्तों आपका अपना क्लासेस कुमार क्लासेस में। तो आज मैं वीडियो लेके आया हूँ एरियाज रिलेटेड टू सर्कल। सर्कल्स के सारे टर्म पढ़ेंगे जो ऑलरेडी हम लोग काफी डेप्थ में पढ़ चुके हैं क्लास में, और सर्कल के जितने भी रिलेटेड कंसेप्ट है क्विक रिवीजन होगा और एक बोर्ड में आए हुए क्वेश्चंस इसको सॉल्व करने वाले हैं। इससे सारे कंसेप्ट आपके क्लियर हो जाएंगे। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं। ध्यान कहीं और नहीं जाना चाहिए। स्टार्ट करने से पहले अगर कंसेप्ट को आपने अच्छे से सीख लिया है तो कंसेप्ट सीखने से केवल नहीं होता, अप्लाई करना पड़ेगा। इसलिए टेंथ तो काफ़ी इजी है, आ रहा है समझ में। आप टेंथ में हो इसलिए आपको डिफिकल्ट लग रहा है, लेकिन जब आप 11th-12th में जाओगे तो आपको इजी लगने वाला है। तो बेसिक कंसेप्ट स्टार्ट करते हैं और फिर क्वेश्चंस को भी सॉल्व करते हैं। जैसे सपोज करो दिस इज सर्कल, दिस इज सर्कल। हाउ टू डिफाइन सर्कल? लोकस ऑफ अ पॉइंट, लोकस ऑफ अ पॉइंट moving in moving in such a way that moving in such a way that such a way that its distance from fixed point is its distance from fixed point is always constant. Locus of a point, this is the locus of a point moving in such a way that its distance from fixed point, that is this fixed point, is always constant. So fixed point is called fixed point is called fixed point is called called center of the circle, center of the circle. Fixed distance is called radius of a circle. So this is fixed distance. So this fixed distance is called radius of a circle. Yes or no? अरे ध्यान किधर है, किधर है ध्यान? ध्यान कहीं भटकना नहीं चाहिए। Yes or no? So start with this. This is a circle. Yes or no? Concentrate at this point. This is the part of the circle. This is the part of the circle. This is the part of the circle. So this is called length of an arc. Length of an arc. If this is the center of the circle, so join this. This is the angle. So this area of sector, area of minor sector, and this is area of major sector. this is chord, and this is area of and this is area of minor segment. Any doubt? Yes or no? Any doubt? So this is all about the terminology of, this is all about terminology of a circle. So formula derivation. This is suppose theta. Okay. So area of circle, area of a circle, pi r square. Circumference of a circle, two pi r, and total angle, this is 360 degree. Yes or no? So for 360 degree, area is pi r square. So for 1 degree, area will be pi r square upon 360. So for theta, pi r square upon 360 into theta. So this is the area of a minor sector. Pi r square 360 by, and this is theta. This is length of an arc of a circle. So for 360 degree, it will be 2 pi r. So for 1 degree, 2 pi r upon 360. So for theta, it will be 2 pi r upon 360 into theta. So 180 you can write. So pi r 180 into theta. This is length of an arc, minor arc, you can say that. Arc. Now the most important thing, we have to find this area, most important thing, and 100% it will be asked in your examination. So area of minor segment. Yes or no? You have to write at least 10 times. You have to write at least 10 times pi upon 360. Yes or no? At least you have to write 10 times. Here it is theta, pi theta upon 360 minus sine theta by 2 cos theta by 2 r square. Area of minor segment. Yes or no? So you have to write 5 times pi theta divided by 360 minus sine theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Theta is an angle. So area of major arc circumference minus minor arc. Area of major segment, area of major segment. So area of circle minus area of minor segment. Area of major sector, area of major sector, area of circle minus area of minor sector. So this is all about circle. So in 2016, the question was, a chord of circle of radius 10 cm, we have to find area of minor sector, minor segment, major sector and major segment. So this is all about the formulas. So area of segment, yes or no, we can also derive this formula, but derivation is not required. So it is necessary and it is the required part to just remember the formula. Forget about the derivation. It is not going to ask. Theta means angle. Yes or no? So you have to write 5 times segment formula. So now it start with this. So this is circle and you have to draw like this. So this is 10 and right angle at the center. ठीक है, नो प्रॉब्लम. ऐसा हम लोग करते हैं. एंड दिस इज थीटा. थीटा इज गिवन 90 डिग्री. दिस इज 10. सो एरिया ऑफ माइनर सेक्टर means this area you have to find, this area. So area of minor sector जो मैंने derive किया था, how to solve area of minor sector. So area of minor sector will be pi r square 360 by into theta. Or suppose you have no idea, so for whole 360 degree it is pi r square. So for one it will be pi r square into 360 into, for angle theta it will be theta. So now we are going to solve pi r square 360 into 90. So 4 pi you can write 3.14 and r square means 100. R is given 10 centimeter. So 10 square is 100. So 314 centimeter square. Area of major sector, area of major sector is equal to area of circle, area of a circle minus area of minor sector. So this is pi r square and you have to also write here divide by 4. So area of circle pi r square minus, here you can write pi r square by 4. So directly solve this. So 4 pi r square minus pi r square by 4. Just cross multiply. So it will be 3 pi r square by 4 or 3 by 4 pi means 3.14 into r square means 100. So just centimeter square, 471 by 2 centimeter square. So this is all about area of minor sector, area of the major sector. Yes or no? Area of this and this part is the area of circle. So area of major sector is area of minor sector, from which area of circle minus area of minor sector. Yes or no? So in this way you can find area of minor sector and area of major sector. Now to find area of minor segment, area, I am solving here only so that it will be useful for you. So what is the formula? You tell me formula. Pi theta 360 minus sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 r square. So pi means 3.14, theta means 90, 360. So sin 45, 90 by 2 cos 45, और r square means 10 square. Three 400 1 upon root 2 1 upon root 2 into 100. Minus half into 100. Yes or no? So next thing you have to simplify. Yes or no? First convert into decimal, and 1 by 2 is, so directly you can simplify, or either I will also going to solve this so that you will get 3.314 divided by 400. So you can write 314 400 into 100. Here 1 by 2 into 100 centimeter square. So it will be 50. Cancel. 314 by 4. (78.5) minus 50 centimeter square, so 38.5 centimeter square. Yes or no? This will be 28. Any doubt? So you can also solve in this way. Next is area of major segment. Area of circle minus area of minor segment. So this is pi r square. So pi r square means 314. Area of circle will be, area of circle you can find from here. Pi r square means 3.1, r square means 10 ka square. So it will be cancel out. So 314 centimeter square. So 314 minus 28.5 centimeter square. You tell me what will be the value. So it will be 285.5 centimeter square. You have to solve like this. 28.5 to 285.50. So this is the answer. So the main thing is you have to write 5 times this. This is the fixed question. Always you have to write pi theta by 360 minus sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 and r square. Jai Hind. Share and subscribe the video.